gotten those. They're tightened together. Get my socket wrench with my 12 and run that on down. They seem to be bottoming out, so run those down. We'll go from there. Alright. Got all the studs down in there. They're bottomed out. Just a note for anybody else. When I did this is the oil return. I had oil come out of my bottom gasket. And I sure hope it don't leak after I get it all put on there. I don't think it will because it's sleeve in there. It still sucks. Put your chain guide back in. That's where that goes there. I got a brand new gasket from my buddy down at the Chinese shop. And we're going to put some copper coat on it, and we'll put that on there. I got my top gasket good and copper coated. I copper coat them even when they're brand new. I just believe in it. We'll put this on now. Still got that wire goes through my timing chain. That just helps out tremendously, especially so you don't drop it down in the motor. Try not to mess up the coating. Kids are up and driving. Mom got trouble earlier today. They weren't allowed to come out for a while. Alright. There should be a couple of guides on here too. So we'll find them. Go from that head. Top left. Bottom right. This should fit in there. Good. The other one's stuck to the head. So we're going to put the head on now and go from there. Okay, so I slid the head in, exhaust first. I'll be able to spin it 360 here and drop it right down from there. I'm going to leave that just like that for now. I pull that timing chain through. I got the timing chain on the wrong side of that post there. Oh. There we go, and there we go. Pour up. Yeah. Good. Wire up through your head. Chain. And drop. Good. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to take off my carb bolt too. I don't know how I did that to begin with. Apparently All right. Went in and took my intake studs off. The exhaust gasket's still in there.
You can't hold it. Don't hold it. Why? Because. Ow! I fought. I fought. Ow, I hurt my butt. Yeah. I'm the coolest guy.
All right.
Wait, what's in that? Oh, I'm sorry, Katie.
Chain up there. No.
Don't hit the kitty like the
Hey,
balloon.
calm down, man.
Why don't hit the kitty like the balloon?
Well, y'all are gonna go inside here in a minute.
No.
Well, quit misbehaving. I mean, what are you thinking?
Can I pet it?
Can you pet it after you hit it with the broom?
No.
No, what? Huh?
I want to do it
I'm
again.
about to hit you with a broom. See how you like it. All right. I think I got one. Get out of the way. Tension is hitting. Definitely. Exhaust is hitting. And there's two guys. Guys got to be sunk. Just like that, and we're good. All right. You got two 8mm bolts on this other side, and I'll show you them. Go ahead and put them on. That'll seal that gasket stuff. Long 8mm. Put them in and get that head sealed down. All right. On your flywheel there's a little metal notch that sticks out, and on your flywheel, you'll have a spot that says T for top dead center, which mine is right there. Okay, so there's top dead center. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see it on the flywheel. But, anyway, that's how you set that. That little metal notch right there. All right. So I've got my deal at top dead center. I've still got my wire through there. Your timing chain tensioner down there has screwed it all the way in, so it should be loose. We'll put our cam back in here, and the big dot will be at the top. Now it's time to take our wire out. Participate. It's going to. Well, all right. Let's say I'm probably a good tooth off or so. All right, that should be it right there. We're gonna put the top piece back on this here.
Don't lock it.
One side says EX. That's gonna go for your exhaust.
Lego, why'd you lock the door? Look how you. Lock the door.
Actually, this should have a couple of guides on it. I don't see any.
Hey,
We'll find a couple of them. Be right back. I'm gonna find my guides and I'll put this on. All right. Got the rocker arms on,
wait.
and put all my washers on. My 12mm nuts on there. Still haven't let my tensioner loose yet. Do that here in a second to make sure my timing's all good. Should be pretty straight.
I'm going to your house.
That might actually be about right. Once you get it tightened down, they'll have a little bit less slack in those. Get them all snug and then do a crisscross pattern on them.
Huh? That's this. That's me doing really on top. Sweetheart. Come on, get on.
I don't know what the specs are on these. Probably about
Actually, that's a
40, 50 pounds.
Oh, hey, white kitty. Tiny white kitty.
There you go till they all start snugging up.
Weehaw!
Use on these after you start tightening one, the other one's loose off. Once they all start getting tight, then you're probably okay.
Actually, you're a witch.
Get that tightened up. We'll go from there.